One day, when you walk in PKU, you find out that the teaching buildings are empty, the roads are empty, the stadiums are empty, everywhere is empty. Sorry, because it's the final exam week. In the eyes of PKU students, the final exam week is like
the Night King from Game of Thrones. You're finally getting over. The next day, they rise back up again as zombies and you have to fight them.
Okay, I know nothing, but at least I know who haven't finished their exam and whom finished them all. When I asked their most horrible moments in the last 2 weeks.
I have no idea that ever I would be able to write so many Chinese characters in my life.
Really difficult.
期末周精神状态都不是特别正常。
So I feel like I never study enough, like there's never an end.
I think was tough.
Very challenging was to find, the place in the library. So many Chinese students were occupying the place.
The deadline was at 12 p.m. noon. Handed it in at 11:56.
我给自己唯一的希望就是考完之后可以有时间哭一会儿。
You're just standing in front of the door, you're like, I'm gonna die in a minute.
Finally,
Congratulations, all the students that we survived that examination week.